Dino, Dino, what is all of this? What's that? What's with all the bandanas? Oh, the bandanas! Dino, what are you doing? Why do you look like a mummy? Oh, I am kind of candy stuff, aren't I? Dino, what you're talking about Lazarus on Sunday, aren't you? Well, yeah, we are in Sunday school. Well, I'm just getting ready. Ready for what? To be a mummy? No! To help with the lesson. To help with the lesson. So getting bandaged up is helping with the lesson? Sure. See, the kids are going to have to unwrap me. Just like the unwrapped Lazarus when Jesus said, "Come, Lazarus, come forth." Oh, goodness. You got all kinds of stuff on here. Look, you're not even color coordinated. You got purple on here. You got pink. You got yellow. You got blue. Yeah, I got all the colors. You certainly do have all the colors. My goodness, Dino. Now that's what I call getting into a lesson or getting into the act. Into the act? Yes. Look at this. Look at you. I'm a handsome fool. Handsome fool? I'm a handsome dino. Okay, you're a handsome dino. Bandages and all. Bandages and all. So, are you ready for Sunday? I am ready for Sunday. Are you? Well, yeah, I would say we're ready for Sunday. All right. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it.